Number 4, buy alcohol as a child. Yes guys, it's your boy Roman here again with another video. So the last time I did a video here about 10 things you can do in France but not in Jamaica. Right. And so some of you said, hey, we want to see more of this. And here it is. I'll be looking at 7 things you can do in Jamaica but not in France. Let's get on with it. Number 1. On public transport, you can tell a driver to stop at a non-official bus stop. So for example, let's say this is the bus stop, right? We could tell the driver to stop here, 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 or maybe even after the bus stop. And that's quite okay in Jamaica. We would be like, yo driver, beg you want to stop here, sir. And the drivers would do it. Most do it. Probably sometimes 1 or 2 don't do it because of where and when. But that's something we do in Jamaica and it's quite normal. But here in France, nah.
Your driver! Me say don't stop at all!
They will stop at the right bus stop. Just the right bus stop. And number 2, in Jamaica you can go to the bank at 12 p.m. Yeah, you can go to pretty much any business place at 12 p.m. because even though it's lunchtime, there is still someone working. And to add to that, lunchtime is what people use to do a lot of business. They wait until lunchtime to go to the bank and to get some things done. So that's why for us it makes sense to not have the places closed. Number 3, you can take an unexpected day off from work while being a teacher without having to give back the time. So let me explain. In France, if you miss a day from work, expected or unexpected, doesn't matter, you will have to do what we call a rattrapage. So what that means is that at the end of the semester or during the semester at a time that you don't normally have class, we would reschedule a class for you so that you can give back the students the time that you missed. While in Jamaica, you miss the time, you miss the time. Number 4, buy alcohol as a child. Yes, this sounds pretty strange, but it's all with context. So in Jamaica, a lot of children would literally buy alcohol or even cigarettes. So basically, people in the communities in Jamaica usually know each other for the most part. And so you have what you call community shops. And at these community shops, a child would come and he would say, hey, my dad said sent me to buy a cigarette or a beer, for example, and they'll be like, oh, Mr. John, you're Mr. John's child, and they would sell you. So that's usually on the community level. As far as I'm concerned, in France, that does not happen. But when it comes to supermarkets, I don't think they would accept that. It's usually for the community shops. Number 5, wearing shorts at public pools. So in Jamaica, you can wear whatever you want at a public pool. I, for example, like wearing baggy shorts. Yeah, I just like wearing shorts in general. However, when I came to France, I thought it was the same, but I was told that you cannot wear loose clothing in a public pool. You have to wear Speedos.
I wear Speedos. When I'm at the beach, you see me wear my Speedos.
And you have to wear, I think, very specific clothing. I think tight clothing, to be honest. And so when I went to the pool, I was like, and I watched everyone in their Speedos, I'm like,
cover your kids' eyes cause I am wearing Speedos.
I don't think so. And so I decided not to go. Number 6, take your own cooked or prepared food to school. I'm not speaking at university level because I'm not sure, but I'm speaking for all levels before the university level. So here in France, the school or the government provides food for the students, and they do not encourage or accept students bringing their own food to school because of health reasons, perhaps allergies and so forth, and safety measures. So they recommend that you only purchase from the school cafeteria. Well, when I say purchase, there's a system, I won't get into that. Or you may go outside of the school campus and purchase your food out there at, let's say, Burger King, etc. But going back to Jamaica, while I was in Jamaica, I, as a student, took food to school, cooked food, and it was okay. So that was quite interesting that you can't do it in France. Number 7 and last, this one is a bit tricky as there was some law passed. I'm not sure if it was a law or there was something being said. So in Jamaica, you can simply go ahead and preach on public transport. That is something that we do in Jamaica, and people would support you, and it's okay. But there were some persons who were clearly bothered, and so there was something that was said, sort of banning it, I believe, but I'm not sure what the current situation is. nonetheless, I thought it was something interesting to add. Alright guys, so that is it for my list of 7 things you can do in Jamaica but not in France. What do you guys think of my list? Did you enjoy my video? Of course you did. So since you did, give it a big thumbs up. And since you have not subscribed to my channel and talk about you who have not subscribed, please subscribe and share this video with one person. Your enemy, your friend, your brother, your sister, I don't know who the person was, share it with one person. With that said, see you guys next time. Ciao, ciao.
Driver, don't stop at all. Drop this Arizona round a Albemarle. Driver.